Hi, I'm Crystal, and today I'm going to make a mini book from a toothbrush box. So I feel like it's been a minute since I made a mini album of any type, and I just opened a new toothbrush and I thought, I think this would be a cute little spine for a mini book. So I do like using boxes to make the spines for all of my albums and books because somebody else is doing the heavy lifting of making that sturdy spine and putting the crease in. So I thought this would be a good size. And then for the pages, I'm using a pillow box die that I have from Spellbinders. This die makes a nice little creased flap, and you're meant to make two of these to join together for the pillow box, but I thought they would make great pages. So I die cut a couple of pages. I think I made 7 pages out of some paper that I had laying around. And I looked at this and thought, I don't know how I want to attach it, but I decided in the end to just go ahead and glue the pages together. So they're not so many pages that that's going to be a problem. And I first considered gluing all the pages together in a stack, but then I decided to do half one way and half the other, leaving a little bit of a gap in the middle in case I wanted to put a pocket or something. So I think that's going to make a cute little book out of this toothbrush box that would otherwise end up in the recycling bin. So I just started out by stacking up half the pages going one direction, gluing those directly into the back of this toothbrush box. And then I stacked up the rest of the pages going the other way, just to avoid having too much glue all in one place and giving it all a chance to dry. Once that had a few minutes of drying time, I went ahead and attached the stack of pages that I'd glued together into the book, facing the other direction. Now these little pages I think are cute kind of on their own, but I thought I would like a cover to go in here, so I cut some cardstock to 3 by 5 and used my little edging scissors to make it cute, and just put that directly into the front and back flap of this box. And I just needed a few minutes of drying time for that, and we can see how this turned out. I thought it just turned out darling, just a cute little 10-minute project. I like the shaped pages, although of course you could just cut the pages to a 3 by 5 rectangle, but I like having the shaped edges. So I've got room for a pocket there in the middle in case I want to put something a little bit more 3D, but otherwise it's just a cute pocket notebook out of a toothbrush box. So thank you for joining me today.